Hey! What? Do you know why I like Demon Slayer most? Because it is only anime that makes me cry.
Разбитая душа, и все твои обещания, пустота в камине.